Is your Tesla slamming on the brakes for no reason, especially after a recent software update? You aren't imagining things, and it's not a problem with your car's cameras or sensors. Yes, this phantom braking has gotten worse, and it is a direct result of a change in the software. Specifically, firmware versions in the 2024 14X branch have made the car's occupancy network more sensitive. This is the system that tries to predict what's happening around you. The problem is that it now actively predicts an oncoming car will cross the center line. And it triggers a hard brake even when there's no actual danger. It's a prediction error inside the software's logic, not a failure of your car's physical hardware. Think of it like this. The car is trying to see the world in 3D using only its cameras. This new, more cautious software sometimes gets confused. It might see a dark shadow from a highway overpass and, for a split second, interpret it as a solid object on the road. The same thing can happen with bright, low-angle sunlight creating glare on the pavement. Because of past investigations into unexpected braking, Tesla has tuned the system to be extremely cautious. Your car is now programmed to brake hard first and ask questions later. Whenever it sees something it can't immediately identify, whether that's a person standing near the road or a car pulling out of a driveway far ahead. It's choosing to be overly safe, even when it's wrong. So, what can you do about it? Let's first cover what doesn't work. Performing the two-scroll wheel reboot might feel like you're doing something, but it only clears the visual information on your screen. It doesn't reset the core Autopilot software or its decision-making logic. Likewise, cleaning your camera lenses and sensors is always good maintenance, but it won't fix this. The cameras are seeing the world just fine. The problem is in how the software is interpreting what it sees. And since you can't go back to an older software version, you can't fix the root cause yourself. There is only one truly effective step you can take to help solve this. Immediately after a phantom braking event happens, use the voice command function and clearly say, "Bug report." This single command does something incredibly important. It flags the exact moment the incident occurred and sends a snapshot of all the car's data, the camera feeds, the sensor readings, and the software's own internal logs, directly to Tesla's engineering team. This gives them the precise, real-world data they need to find the error and retrain the neural network. Don't just ignore these events. A sudden, hard brake from highway speed, say 130 kilometers per hour, creates a very real danger of causing a rear-end collision. So, report every single false braking event. It's the only way to help fix the problem for everyone.